everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today we are tackling Jessie's desk. We're going to declutter it. I'm also going to give it a good clean and also repaint and reupholster her chair to match her room. Now that's actually one of our dining chairs, but I mean we've got 10 of them and we very rarely use them, so I just figured I'm just going to actually paint them to match the kids' rooms, and then if we ever do need them at the dining table, well then we just use them. I don't really care that they're not going to be matching for the amount of times that we would ever need 10 chairs. So yeah, first of all we're just going to do a big declutter of the desk, give it a clean. I'm going to do a couple of DIY projects for organisation and different things on her desk, and yeah. So I'll set the camera up and we'll jump right in. So her desk here, this is actually another furniture makeover that I've actually done. And this desk used to be like a dark wood stained finish. And I've just basically painted it with some white chalk paint, and then put in the middle, it used to have like a dark brown vinyl insert in the middle. So what I did is just printed off a heap of watercolor pictures off the internet, stuck those down for the insert, and I'll leave a link to the desk makeover. I've done a video on the whole process of making it over, so I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below for you. So first of all, I'm just pretty much going to empty all the drawers out, get rid of all the rubbish that she doesn't really need or use, and go from there. Okay, so we've finished decluttering and organising the desk, so I'll just show you how we've set the drawers up. So in this first drawer, I mean, she's not really into so much makeup at the moment, but like it's sort of just her few little bits and pieces that she has as far as makeup in that drawer. And we've just sort of kept all like the beauty stuff on this side, so all the stuff to do with her nails. I've just got a couple of little sorting baskets there containing all the items, and then this drawer's empty at this stage, so she's still got a huge drawer if she needs to store anything in there. Then in the middle section, we don't really have anything that she reaches for regularly because it's a bit of a pain, that drawer, like while you're sitting at the desk to get into it. So she's just got a couple of scrapbooks there that she did when she was little, and we've just kept them in there for now. They'll probably go in her keepsakes box eventually when I sort that out. So then this drawer now on this side, we've just got a cutlery tray, which I just got from like a reject shop or $2 shop, and we've just got her bits and pieces in there as far as all her stationery that she needs for her homework. And then in this drawer she just has like her couple of pencil cases and some notebooks at the back there, as well as her like one of her maths textbooks that she's got there. And then in this drawer here, it's just like a filing drawer, so she just has all her subjects there in the filing with the books, like her subject book in each one. So when she's not using those books, obviously they don't need to, because they don't have lockers at their school, so they just need to take the books they need each day. So when she's not using the book, we've just got a filing drawer here that they can all sit in. So that's the organisation of this desk. And then on the top here, she's just got a few of her little knickknacks. So she's got her skull, little canvas easel there. Those little cups there I've got for all her pens and bits and pieces, so I've just got to get a few more pens from my drawer to put in them, so she's got them there when she's doing her homework. This little caddy here, it's like a letter holder, but I've actually set it up so at the back there is like a multiple plug. So I've set that up like a little charging station, so she can just sort of sit her phone in there while it's charging, and a little bit neater out the way. I'm probably going to paint that and decorate that. Then here we've just got a couple of little jars that match the cups on the other side, and they've just got some hair clips, some paper clips and some hair ties in them. Then she just has her little hand fan, her little jewelry stand here, and then a little dish here that's just got all her stud earrings in as well. So I'm probably going to be giving this a bit of a makeover as well, probably painting it a different colour. So yeah, there's still a few little DIY projects to do on her desk, but that's just the organisation and declutter of her desk at this stage. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a whole series of these videos coming up. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.